Today, I'll show you how to fix email deliverability in Klaviyo. If you're experiencing issues with your emails not reaching your subscribers' inboxes, you're in the right place. Email deliverability is crucial for ensuring that your marketing efforts are successful. Without it, your messages might end up in spam folders or worse, not be delivered at all. Let's dive into the process of improving your email deliverability within Klaviyo. First, let's navigate to the campaign section of your Klaviyo dashboard. Once there, head over to the analytics area. This is where you can monitor all the vital statistics related to your email campaigns. Keeping a close eye on these performance metrics is essential because they give you a clear picture of how your emails are performing and where improvements can be made. One of the most critical metrics to monitor is your open rate. Ideally, you want this number to be greater than 30%. This is considered a healthy baseline and indicates that your audience is engaging with your content. If your open rate is consistently lower, it might be time to revisit your subject lines or your sending times to ensure they are engaging and aligned with your audience's preferences. Next, let's talk about bounce rates. You want to keep your bounce rate below 0.2%. A high bounce rate can indicate that you have fake emails on your list or that your sign-up forms are not being maintained properly. This can be detrimental to your sender reputation. To address this, make sure your sign-up forms are designed to capture valid email addresses and consider implementing a double opt-in process. Regularly cleaning your email list to remove inactive or invalid addresses can also help reduce your bounce rate significantly. Now, let's focus on the spam complaint rate. The goal here is to keep this rate below 0.1%, which means fewer than one complaint per 1,000 emails sent. If your emails are being marked as spam, it could be due to irrelevant content or overly frequent messaging. To reduce complaints, ensure your content is tailored to the interests of your subscribers and that you're not overwhelming their inboxes with too many messages. Additionally, always provide an easy way for users to unsubscribe if they no longer wish to receive your emails. Maintaining excellent sender status in Klaviyo involves constantly monitoring these metrics and making adjustments as needed. Remember that consistency is key. By continually refining your strategies and staying within these industry-standard safety thresholds, you'll improve your email deliverability over time. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Set aside some time each week to review your analytics. This regular check-in can help you catch any potential issues early and adjust your strategies proactively. Also, don't hesitate to run A/B tests on different elements of your emails, like subject lines or content styles, to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to fixing any email deliverability issues in Klaviyo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing.